Kegwire, let me tell you something. Education is the key. Education is the key, and knowledge is power, according to Mahidra of the United States of America. Muthenya wa ira niturathire na mwanake uyu gwitwo Gideoni wa keyboard. You cannot see him. You cannot, because he got lost yesterday in town. Turathite gwetha kanyamu ka microphone gathukire. We went to Livuli Avenue and I found him missing. I could not locate him. I was looking him under the vehicles. I could not see him. I tried calling him. He could not receive any call. Yeah? Because he's just stupid. Yeah? Dramoria. Where are you? Gideoni, ndirakuona. Now he received the phone. Ajira. Ati andikitwo Samsung. Yeah? He's a stupid man. Yeah? Ndamuhoria ringi ndamuria, where are you? Toro ni urari na mbeca microphone guthondekithia nyamu icio. Yeah? Because you, let me tell you something. Nyina wa Jerry, I have never seen such a case. Ajira, ndehera hau handikitwo Samsung. I am here, written M-Pesa. A donkey. I don't care. I have never seen such a case. Rumu vitutira muhuri wa keyboard. Ndaigwa aronirwo watata wa kangemi. Why? I have never seen such a case. Na riu acoka guku, tutiore tugucoka cooperate with a stupid man. Stupid he is. Stupid.